With BFS, we enqueue the cells with 0 and distance 0. Then we perform a BFS search, updating the distances of the neighboring cells. And lastly, we return the distance matrix. For dynamic programming, we iterate top left to bottom right, setting the distance 0 for 0 cells. We then calculate the minimum distance, considering the top and left neighbors. Then we iterate from the bottom right to the top left, updating the distance, considering bottom and right neighbors. And lastly, we return the distance matrix. Then, now as DFS with memoization, we initialize the distance matrix with infinity values. We define a recursive function with current cell coordinates, and we return 0 if it's a 0 cell. And we use the store distance if it's already calculated. We recursively calculate the distances for neighboring cells, updating the minimum distance, and then we repeat this for all 1 cells, ultimately returning the distance matrix.